Anai Okii has just fallen down. Remember that you are still watching us live on God Provides TV. It's a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung.
Wherever you are, team doctors, wherever you are.
The player of Anai Okii is down. Remember that it's a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung. This is a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung. We are in the playground of COTN Secondary School. For your information, COTN is not far from Omodo Market or Chuk Omodo. They are going to make an interchange. They are making a substitute somewhere.
ชิงก็จะเลยไปเชียร์แบดอยู่ในไม่รออยู่ปีเยอะ